Hey everyone, just arrived here at Mount Riverview. We're going to do a trail called the Chicken Run. Done it once before, several years ago. From what I remember, it's pretty steep and loose, so we'll see how we go. Just wait for the other boys to show up and we'll get kitted up and head off. Alright, see you on the trails. Okay. Hey Ray, how are you, man?
Good, bro. Ready to send it?
Yeah, well, hopefully.
Send it my own way.
Chris, ready?
Dave.
Good, man, good. Dylan, the leader of today's adventure. He's showing us the ropes.
That'll be fun.
Awesome. Woo! Alright, see you on the trails. Apologies for the low set camera angle. Luckily Ray did some filming as well, so I'll be using some of his footage. Yeah, boy. Easy roll. Did we? No. Okay, here we go. Get some speed. Whew. Nice and techie. Oh, look at the gorge. Beautiful view. Keep me on the track though. Oh wow. Oh, that was lucky. Oh, what a view. This is probably why it's called Mount Riverview.
Yeah. Oh, of course. Money going on.
Alright.
Slow. Let's do this. First run in. Very loose. Oh, loose.
Oh yeah, nice step up.
Okay.
Oh man.
Wow. Okay.
Oh man.
Wow. Yeah, let's send it. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. That was a nice huck. Oh, yeah. Wow. Wow. That was a nice huck. Oh, nice.
Yeah, boy.
Awesome.
Alright. Bit of a techie section, really steep, slidey, really loose. Oh, back onto the A-line.
Whoa. Nice. It's just a roll down. Keep going, keep going. Nice. Keep going, keep going. Well done. Well done. Well done.
All right, Ray's got to be somewhere, so
Take the missus to lunch. But thanks for the ride, fellas. It was awesome.
no worries. And Chris, you're going to get tyres, aren't you?
Yeah, thanks for the ride.
All right.
Good fun.
Awesome. See you boys later.
You guys stay safe.
Let's do it. Okay, this is the original chicken run. Following Dylan. Phew. Take the left fork. Hit this big Buddha. Oh yeah, nice landing. Okay, so as far as we came the first go. Alright. This is what I remember. Put down, save myself. You! Yeah, boy. Having the new front shocks a good workout. Hey? Yeah. Nice and steep. Oh, nearly got the front wheel stuck. Yeah, boy. Oh. Yeah, boy. Okay, we just finished the chicken run at Mount Riverview. Ray and Chris had to leave a bit early, but Dylan and myself just did the second run, which is the one I originally thought we were going to do. So that was pretty good, really a full run down that, and it was loose and quite techy. So yeah, awesome day.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dylan.
It's rad.
All right, peace out.